My name is Fajuyigbe Faith. I'm a parent of Elijah Fajuyigbe in SS2, and I have Olayemi Fajuyigbe, she's in GS2, and I have my baby Muyewa Fajuyigbe in KG1 in Kingsville Academy. Kingsville Academy is a school for everyone. They've had so much impact. It's a school away from home. My children feel comfortable in the environment and their teachers are friendly, and I love them for one thing. They are always doing everything to meet up to standard of international schools. Yeah, when I was searching for schools in Abuja, I saw a video of students and they were talking about Kingsville Academy. I was actually excited and happy about the video because I wanted a school that each child can stand up for themselves. Each child can, their self-esteem. I love when you're confident about everything about yourself. Kingsville Academy is a school that every parent should bring their child. If you want your child's self-esteem to be high, you want your child to be confident in he or herself, I think Kingsville Academy is the school. My daughter participated in the competition. That's the 14th edition of Toyota, Your Dream Car. And at the national level, she's the first in the competition. And I was very happy when she won the award. They invited us. They couldn't believe that she was the one that actually drew it, like some schools do. They help their students in malpractice and the rest of it. So they didn't believe she was the one that drew the car. So they invited us to the hotel and they asked her to start all over again. And they were all overwhelmed because she did more than what she did before. So thanks to Kingsville for that.